Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check in on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have as you can see, travel guides, flight deals, plan, books, and everything. And of course, in the very middle of the screen, we have here the option where you can go and book your flight from, to where, and when, of course, you would like your flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in on Qantas. So you can, of course, do it by online check-in here on the website. You can do it by online check-in using the app and auto check-in also. So for, of course, the website, go to the website and enter your booking reference and last name. So basically you need to go to your bookings, of course, which you can, of course, find here. And then you can go to your bookings. And here you can go, of course, and then enter your booking reference and last name and click on the check-in button. So basically which you can go and, of course, find there. Now, when you go and find when you go and click on the check-in, when you put all of your information, now what you need to do is, of course, so you need to just click here on manage booking. Now, when you enter both of these, then you need to click on the check-in, follow prompts, and complete the check-in process. And you can download your digital boarding pass to your mobile device or print it at home. Of course, we have an auto check-in. So if you haven't checked in online or the app, Qantas will send you an SMS inviting you to check in. Just follow the link on the SMS to complete the process. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.